You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. Hello viewers, welcome to Momo Beginner Sewing. Today we are making a frock with smoking for about 6-month baby. So let us start with this work, and I will demonstrate you each and every step and will explain you that how you can smoke any kind of fabric. So let us start. So in first step, lay down your fabric nicely and in two fold, and then measure the width, which is 12 inch, and take a full height, which is going to be about 14 inch, but I am taking here 12 inch. You can see that because the bodice height is basically 11 inch. Okay, the 11 inch I'm taking it 11 inch. Again I'm showing you. This is a rectangular kind of face which is coming up, come out after cutting. Now I am cutting the strap, and it is 3 inch in wide because we are using wider strap over here. And length will be 3 inch on double fold for single strap. Okay, now firstly I am seaming bottom and the top line of the bodice, but just by folding it, because we need to fold the top side and the bottom side. Okay, this is as simple as that. Now you can see that I'm done with my both seams. Now I am hemming the side of the straps, which is going to be similarly like that. Both sides is going to be fold and just having a single seam on along with it. Now we are going to use our bibbon for elastic threading. So where you place your thread in the bibbon, you are going to place this bibbon elastic. And now I'm going to start with giving the straps smoking. You can see I have just given one smoking at the corner side. Now I am giving a smoke at the other side, just away from the hemline. Now for the fanciness, I am sewing the lace in between both the bibbon elastic. If you don't want to apply the lace, instead of lace you can just sew the bobbin elastic over here, so it looks 3 layers of bobbin elastic. So my first strap is complete. It looks like that. Now we are going to create 12 layers of smoked on the bodice, or whatever the side you will take, the bottom or the top one, because both have the same measurements, top or bottom. So take one side and start. This is my first smoke. You can see now I am giving the another smoke. Make sure that your back side of the fabric face the bobbin. Okay, and your your footer, or you can say the boot, is facing the top side. You can see this is the final look. And now we are going to assemble this thing. After this thing, you can see I am measuring for the strap. To apply the strap, you just need to measure accordingly. There is no hard and fast rule. Just put any frock or just make it fold and then marks the measurement appropriately. You can see our straps are deployed now. Now just for the fanciness, I'm going to apply the bottom lace on the bottom side. After completing the bottom, we need to sew our only one single side, and I'm going to seam it the side of our bodice. You can see there are how many layers are there. There are 12. Okay, and you can the 12 is maximum for the 14-inch. You can add more if you are making for the big girl. And this is the simple summer smoke dress. If you like our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and share the tutorial as well. Thank you so much. Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.